Hello, I want to talk today about skills in the trading and investing. When it comes to trading and investing, in terms of the mechanics, it's just simple: buy and sell, right? It looks simple on the on the surface, but reality, the trading and investing, the real skills are the psychological skills. That is, your patience. The most number one skill in the trading and investing is the patience, emotions, that is your greed and fear, and how you're able to manage and process your emotions and your expectations and your self-discipline, like whatever the discipline you have about your emotions, about your patience, um, your decision making, and your time management. So all these things are the psychological temperament of who you are, and they are the more important than the technical how to of picking the right stock or right choice of investment, picking how to do analyze a stock, how to evaluate, and what is pricing, what is value. Like there are a lot of these how to's, but those are important too. But the psychological aspects of these skills are a lot more important because they actually show up when you are in the trading and investing. And then the skills, this is all for the trading and investing. And as you know, uh, your time is not that worth that much. In trading and investing, your time is not worth that much because it's all about trade. You take a position and you exit a position. You make a decision and you know when to make a decision again. So your time pretty much is not that much of value here. But if you go back to the earned income, which is a job or your own business, like if you're having your own service business, there your time has a value and that is earned income. So why am I telling about these two here in terms of skill sets? Well, the earned income is your sweat income and you are really working for it, and you have a lot more choice and other options in terms of how you can manage it versus the investment income or this uh, trading investing where a lot of it depends on the markets, not you, because whether you make the trade or not, it's very little about you. It's all about the markets, and it is about you in terms of the long-term planning.